Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Kana Asumi. Code NSFS 159. Released on February 14, 2023. And it has 150 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman and her husband boss. The guy had a problem at his work, leading for his project to be cancelled. So the guy got suspended at the company. So later on, the guy works as a part-timer as a delivery guy, and he keep it a secret to his wife. So one day, the girl found out that her husband works as a delivery guy, and she found out that her husband got suspended at the company. However, in order to save her husband and bring him back to the company, the girl needs to satisfy her former husband boss. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story begun.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.